Ngomsombuluko abakwa-Eskom bakuphika ukuthi ukusebenzisa kwabo kakhulu udizili yikho okuholela ekushodeni kwawo ezweni.
These are exceedingly high levels of diesel consumption, unprecedented. These plants were not designed to run at the rate they are running. They were designed to run at max 3 hours during peak. And so because of reduced capacity, we are having to run them longer, which means that we consume enormous amount of diesel.
Kodwa lesikhungo esiphehla ugesi asikushiyile ngaphandle unomphelo. Bavuma nokuthi ama-generator abo abhula ama-turbine abawasebenzisayo asebenza ngodiesel kanti ashisa amalitha kadiesel angu-660,000 ngehora. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi ngenyanga kaNovemba iyodwa kwasetshenziswa amalitha angu-140 million kadiesel ukuze kuphehlwe ugesi. Abanye abasebenza kulemboni basitshele ngandlebenye ukuthi yizo lezi idingo zika-Eskom eziholela ezinkingeni zokushoda kwawo ezindaweni ezinjengasentshonalanga Kapa. Kodwa nakwezinye izingxenye zezwe sekuyaqala ukuzwakala. Amagaraji amahlanu eGoli aqinisekisile ukuthi asephelelwe yizo zonke izinhlobo zikadizili kanti abawufakelayo udizili abazikhiphi izathu zalokhu.
One of the possibilities is that the demand shift may be to the Eskom side, but we don't know. If it's a supply and demand issue, we hope that the scenario is not a shortage.
Njengoba abahlali bakuleli belungiselela ukuya emaholidini, ababheke ukusebenzisa izimoto zikadizili kuzofanele bacabange ezinye izindlela.